y'all doing out there? Alright, I got a little pedal demo I was gonna make. I joined that Temu influencer program and they sent me a couple pedals and I wanted to demonstrate this on Movall Jumpspace Overdrive. They go for a real good price. I'll put a picture up there showing what they're selling for. But anyway, you can go to Temu if you ain't already got the app. Go ahead and download that app. And I'll put a link in the description of the video where you can get a coupon bundle for $100 bundle. And I'll also have a link to this item here in the description that you can follow if you like it and want to get one. But anyway, I'll get this pedal going and we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, that's what my guitar sounds like clean. And I'm gonna set everything right up the middle at 12 o'clock on here. We'll start messing with it, see what it sounds like. Let's give it a little more overdrive first. Let's cut it all the way down, see what it does. So you can cut your drive all the way down and get a little boost. You could give it some of that bright up there. See what the tone knob will do. Yeah, you can get a little boost out of it when you cut all the way down and cut the tone up. Do a mid boost. Start putting a little bit of drive on it. Starts breaking up a little. think that gives you a pretty good idea how that pedal sounds. It's got some pretty good sounds in there. I like it the way I had it set there about the last drive, about halfway to 75% of the way up, with the brights, mids, and character turned all the way up, and the tone set about halfway. It's got a real good sound to it though. I can definitely see using that. Like I said, if you want to get one, go on the Temu website, download the website. You can follow the link in the description on this video to get the exact same thing, and you'll get follow that link, you'll get a $100 gift bundle coupon. All right, see y'all next time.